I can't tell you how many guys that I know in the last 5 years who have really struggled coming out of the military in being told they just don't have the experience of what we're looking for.
How do I translate what I'm doing to what I need to do, and how to articulate what I've learned?
But for some folks, I think it's still kind of scary because it's difficult to understand what your skills in the military might transition to.
You come out with that skill set, you just don't know what that is.
80% of our nation's manufacturers today have difficulty finding quality workers. At the same time, we have 1 million veterans coming home over the next 4 years.
Is talk about their experiences in the military a little bit more and how they transfer to what we're doing here. It's the same thing. It's all problem solving, right? These guys are problem solvers. Anybody who's formed in the military is a problem solver. That's what we do every day in our business life too.
Somebody who does have an honorable discharge is certainly someone who's accomplished something.
Part of the rigor and training that they receive, being a soldier, really helps position them well to enter the workforce from a technical standpoint.
The Marine Corps mentality where you do more with less, that kind of thing.
Veterans are certainly a stable force within any workplace.
Attention to detail.
Someone who can finish something that they started, and someone who's a hard worker.
Veterans are already tooled up to do that because they bring the leadership, the teamwork, the problem-solving capability, the change orientation.
Veterans are able to transition into the workforce using the skills that they've already acquired through their service.
I used to love this question when I was getting out of the military. What do you want to do? Where do you want to be? I don't really know. Can you help me figure that out?
What vets need to understand is that those are the skills that people in the workforce that are hiring need to know about.
To identify individuals that have those same competencies, so we can recognize and give credit to veterans for the skills that they've demonstrated every single day.
It's showing vets, that hey, you can sit in the boardroom here too, right? That there is a future for you.